If you are suffering from allergy, you may have severe sneezing, especially on waking, stuffed, blocked or runny nose, itching around nose, eyes and throat, or heaviness of head. You get the symptoms when your immune system is hypersensitive to trivial and negligible causes. Here are some common strategies that people use to alleviate allergy symptoms. Step 1. Avoid allergens. Try to observe what triggers an episode or avoid exposure to common allergens such as pollen, dust, or pets, which can trigger allergies and sneezing. Some are allergic to citrus fruits. Try avoiding them during an episode or avoid consuming frequently. Reduce the intensity of allergen. Use allergen-reducing products like an air filter or air purifier to remove allergens from the air in your home or workplace. Wash your hands and face regularly, especially after spending time outdoors or with a pet. Prevention. Alternative systems of medicine can offer wide variety of preventive therapies which can reduce the intensity of an episode or the frequency. Treatment. Taking antihistamines or decongestants can help relieve sneezing, runny nose, and congestion. Always check with a doctor or pharmacist before taking any new medication for the right dosage and frequency. Rinse your nose. Rinsing your nasal passages with salt water has been shown to help reduce sneezing and congestion. Consider immunotherapy. For severe allergies, allergen immunotherapy can help reduce or eliminate allergy symptoms over time. This helps in trimming down the hypersensitive immunity. Remember, while these strategies may help alleviate symptoms, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or an allergist for specific advice on how to manage your allergies and sneezing.